Welcome to Next Knowledge. Today, we take you inside an ultra-modern, high-tech facility where raw nature meets high-end luxury. This is the journey of the majestic Grey Brahman Bull and how its distinct white horns and premium hide are transformed into world-class luxury goods. Right from the start, precision is key. The handlers carefully guide these massive animals through the holding area, ensuring maximum safety and zero damage to their valuable horns and coats. The process begins with a thorough rinse cycle to prepare the hide. Once cleaned, the facility's quality assurance team steps in for a meticulous inspection. Every inch of the flank area is analyzed for scarring or defects, with all data instantly uploaded to the main server. The iconic white horns are measured precisely, often averaging around 22 centimeters. Only the smoothest, most exceptional hides pass this stage to guarantee a high-quality yield. Efficiency drives this facility. Once the initial quality checks are complete, the batches are systematically categorized. Group A is routed directly to the specialized Whitehorn processing department, while Group B is dispatched to the premium leather manufacturing division. This automated logging system ensures flawless traceability for every single item. Welcome to the cutting edge of craftsmanship. Utilizing precise laser scanning, advanced robotic arms meticulously grind and polish the Brahman horn sections. This automated precision removes any imperfections, achieving a flawless, high-gloss, luxury-grade finish. It is a mesmerizing blend of heavy automation and delicate artistry, approved by top-tier quality inspectors. Over in the leather division, experts inspect the grain structure of each section. Brahman leather is highly prized for its unique texture and durability. Even the slightest natural variations are closely monitored to ensure they fall within the strict tolerances required for premium goods. Once verified as exceptional, the sheets are sent down the conveyor line for cutting and manufacturing. The Grey Brahman collection represents the absolute pinnacle of modern industrial craftsmanship. It is the art of taking raw, rugged, organic elements and transforming them into timeless objects of desire. Every step of this operation is designed to respect the material while elevating it to its highest market value. Consistency is what separates standard leather from true luxury. In the drying department, the sheets achieve their final structural integrity. Technicians inspect the grain texture one more time under optimized lighting. With the drying stage complete, these perfectly consistent sheets are cleared to move into the final assembly and finishing lines. In the final phase, the focus shifts to structural perfection. The stitching is checked to ensure it is completely flawless, and the thickness is verified as perfectly uniform across the entire sheet. Once it passes this relentless inspection, The premium batch is cleared for packaging and global shipment to elite markets worldwide. From raw elements to high-end luxury, the journey of the Brahman Bull is a testament to modern engineering and design. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Next Knowledge for more exclusive behind-the-scenes documentaries. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.